Curious about the secrets behind a vegan diet? Discover the compelling reasons and surprising benefits that might just change your life. From ethical motivations to health benefits, the reasons for choosing a vegan lifestyle are as diverse as the delicious plant-based meals it offers. Ethical motivations often stem from a desire to avoid causing harm to animals, promoting a more humane world. Environmental concerns highlight the substantial impact of animal agriculture on climate change and food waste. Health-related reasons include potential benefits such as weight loss, reduced insulin resistance, and a lower risk of chronic diseases. A vegan diet excludes all animal products, focusing on whole plant-based foods like fruits, vegetables, beans, legumes, and grains. According to the Physicians' Committee for Responsible Medicine, a well-planned vegan diet can provide all necessary nutrients. Ethical living through veganism can foster a more compassionate world that recognizes the rights of all living beings. Livestock production accounts for up to 14.5% of all human-induced greenhouse gas emissions, more than the entire transportation sector combined. Millions of square miles of forest are cleared annually for pastureland, disrupting biodiversity and contributing to species extinction. Adopting plant-based diets can support sustainable food systems and reduce carbon footprints. Studies show that embracing a vegan lifestyle can reduce carbon emissions by up to 50%. Health benefits of a vegan diet include weight loss and a reduced risk of chronic diseases like cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. Individuals following a vegan diet tend to consume fewer calories, leading to significant savings on groceries. A vegan diet is higher in fiber than most meat-inclusive diets, resulting in greater health benefits. Clinical comparisons indicate improved cardiovascular health markers and a reduced risk of obesity-related conditions. A vegan diet offers improved digestion due to its high dietary fiber content from fruits, vegetables, legumes, and grains. Fiber-rich diets encourage the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, enhancing overall gut health. Soluble fiber found in beans and oats may help lower cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Nutrient deficiencies pose a significant risk for vegans, particularly in vitamin B12, iron, omega-3 fatty acids, and calcium. Monitoring daily food intake and incorporating fortified foods can help mitigate these risks. Many perceive a vegan diet as more expensive due to specialty items and organic produce. Staples like beans, rice, lentils, and seasonal vegetables are often more affordable. Local farmers markets and community-supported agriculture programs offer fresh produce at reasonable prices. Buying in bulk can lower costs and reduce packaging waste, promoting environmental sustainability. Shopping seasonally offers fresher produce at lower prices and supports local farmers. Meal planning prevents impulse purchases and limits trips to the store, reducing overall expenses. Batch cooking and repurposing leftovers can maximize the use of every ingredient. Growing your own produce can lead to significant cost savings and promote healthy eating. Purchasing frozen fruits and vegetables helps manage food costs and reduces waste. Substituting expensive ingredients with affordable options encourages creativity in the kitchen. Embrace the vegan lifestyle for a healthier, more sustainable, and compassionate world. Start your journey today.